Hello guys, review smartphone Samsung Galaxy A70. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory. Okay, in the blue color, protective film. Okay, in completation we have adapter for charging, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and headphones. Good completion. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic and metal. On the back side triple camera and LED. On the front side display 6.7 inch. Okay, and front camera. Upside without controls. Left side this slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and volume keys. Downside dynamic speaker and speaker, microphone, and USB Type-C port, jack for headphones. Turn on device. Okay, Super AMOLED matrix. Open settings, look. Android version, Android 8, 1E 1.1, version Knox 3.3. Close this. Open test Geekbench 4. Qualcomm Snapdragon 675, this is CPU, octa-core 6+2, CPU speed we can see, GPU Adreno 612, resolution and display PPA. Okay, look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay, open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score, functions test, multi-touch test, 10 touches support display, ranking, look ranking. Okay, ranking load, 50 plays we have. Okay, good results. Open next game, PUBG Mobile, and look gameplay. Okay, game load, low graphic level, max graphic level, and ultra frame. Okay. Looks very good. Good gameplay, smooth, without lags and glitches. Alright. Very good gameplay. And now talk about camera. We have triple camera, 32 plus 5 plus 8 megapixels, front camera 32 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.